Hey, what's up friends? It's been a while. This is Oshin and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while. I haven't posted any videos recently. I got really super busy. But right now, medyo may lull moments ako this December. Actually, hindi, medyo busy pa rin ako. But I was able to make this video and I was able to squeeze it in. And hopefully magustuhan niyo tong video na to because finally, after 1 year not really in the making, pero I've been waiting for this video to come out kasi I really want to review this credit card and ito lang yung nag-iisa ko lang namang credit card, which is the Security Bank na gold credit card. So if you've been a watcher or a subscriber of my channel, maybe you know the story already, but to refresh and for those na bago dito sa channel ko, I want to tell you the story of how I got this credit card. Before nag-start yung pandemic, which was I think February or March of 2020, I basically opened a Security Bank savings account. So nag-open ako because I wanted to put my emergency funds there. And at the same time, it's also near the office. And also, what I also like about Security Bank is that they give good offers kapag nag-housing loan ka or nag-auto loan ka. But I think they have better offers when you apply for a housing loan. And in the future, to be honest, I want to apply for a housing loan and of course, para makabili ako ng first property ko in the future. And I hope you stay on this journey with me because maybe who knows, I might make videos on how to apply for a housing loan and anything about real estate. Maybe in the future, I would like to share it as well kapag na-experience ko na siya. Anyway, so going back, so here's my credit card again. So this is a Security Bank Gold credit card. I don't know if you can see it. What I like about this credit card is that mataas ang credit limit niya. So for transparency purposes, my credit limit was 100,000 pesos. So yung credit limit natin kasi it's based on a lot of factors, no? Your income, your net worth, no? So basically, pero malaking factor talaga yung income at saka yung credit worthiness ninyo na kung saan I always share it in my YouTube channel on how you can get your credit score, on how you can get your credit report, and how even you can improve your credit score so that when banks are gonna review your applications, more chances of approving. So let's start with ano ba yung features nitong credit card na to. So actually, across all Security Bank credit cards, 1 point is equals to 20 pesos worth of spending. So mababa talaga siya compared dun sa mga ibang credit cards na yung iba 1 point is equals to 30 pesos and 40 pesos, 45, and there are some that even as high as 50 pesos. And of course, it's gold. It comes with a gold finish. So parang medyo classy talaga siyang tingnan kapag, you know, parang pang flex lang. Another one is that meron na rin siyang EMV chip. So if you can see here, meron na siyang chip para mas secured yung transactions ninyo kapag pupunta kayo sa labas. O meron din pa rin naman siyang mag stripe, but it's recommended talaga na lahat ng cards ngayon ay may EMV chip. And then at the same time, mayroon din siyang yung PayWave. So pwede mo din siyang itap dun sa mga POS machines or terminals whenever you go outside and you're going to buy something from the stores. Yeah, so that's what I like about this. So kaya talaga siya secured kasi nga Security Bank. Gets? I also shared before on this video na hindi maganda ang aking credit history but Security Bank approved of my credit card application. In fact, actually, ang nangyari talaga is in-email nila ako. They said that pre-qualified ako for a credit card. And alam nyo ba, ang nag-send pa sa akin ng email is yung branch manager nung branch where I opened my Security Bank na savings account. So that's what I like about it kasi they really want to improve their relationship with you. So this is what I like about this bank. By the way, guys, again, this is not sponsored or anything, but if you're interested to apply for a Security Bank credit card, I have an affiliate link below. So please, you can find it dun sa description box. By the way, if ma-approve kayo on your Security Bank credit card application, disclaimer lang that I will be getting something as a commission. But yung application nyo is totally free and at no cost to you. So ano pa ba yung features ng credit card na to? And aside from the rewards, the points, and stuff like that, ang gusto ko pa dito sa credit card na to is that they've partnered with a lot of establishments, restaurants na kung saan pwede ka makakuha ng discounts, coupons. Tapos, ang maganda sa Security Bank is that madali ding magkaroon or mag-apply for installment packages. For example, if you want to buy your iPhone or your camera, sabi ko nga before on my previous videos, this camera that I am using right now, so naka-installment siya sa Security Bank. I paid it for 6 months and yun pa yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. But aside from this credit card, yung ibang selection ng credit cards ni Security Bank like yung next, yung Titanium Mastercard. So what I like about it naman is that kapag more than 5,000 pesos yung iyong purchase, automatic na magiging installment siya. So, maganda talaga siya guys. So, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung Security Bank. Lagi akong sinisave nito on a lot of things. Emergencies, big ticket purchases. Gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. So I think this one topic is that you're interested in if you're watching this video. So magkano ba ang annual fee nitong Security Bank Gold na credit card? So the annual fee is actually 2,500 pesos. Personally, I haven't tried waiving it kasi hindi pa naman sila nagpapadala ng bill na kailangan ko na magbayad ng annual fee. But most likely, I will try and I will attempt to have it waived and sasabihan ko kayo guys kung anong balita. But based on some reviews that I've read from Reddit and from other social media, madali daw magpa-waive kay Security Bank as long as nagagamit mo yung credit card or hindi mo siya ginagamit. So either of the two. But in my case, kasi sobrang gamit na gamit ko siya, as in na-compute ko kung magkano nagastos ko using this credit card. But I always pay on time and in full, as I always say here in my channel. If ever man na hindi sila pumayag na ipa-waive, I'm willing to pay it, but I don't know, as much as possible, I don't really want to pay it. But ang gusto ko naman din sa kanya talaga is that very convenient siyang gamitin. At what I like about Security Bank is that they've put their trust in me even though I don't have a good credit history. And I'm keeping that trust. And yeah, so Security Bank, if you're watching this, I hope we could collaborate on a video. And I'm really happy na you approved of my credit card application. You took a chance on me. Some stuff that I want to share to you guys, siguro mga extra tips and extra stuff na lang is that unfortunately Security Bank credit cards are not crypto friendly. So every time na gusto kong bumili ng cryptocurrency using crypto.com at saka Binance, unfortunately nire-reject siya kapag ginagamit ko yung credit card ko. So I always use my debit card, which is Union Bank, and probably I will share it on another video if you want me to on how to do it. Pero but on other things like local and stuff, sobrang okay siya. Also, i-add ko din pala ng isa pang nagustuhan ko dito sa feature ng Security Bank is that napakadaling kausap ng customer service nila. As in, promise. They're very approachable, tapos madali lang makontak yung mga customer service representatives nila. And madali silang kausap. As in, no frills. As in, hindi katulad ng mga ibang banks na you have to wait for like 5 hours, 6 hours of waiting. Kung may bangkong nanonood dito, wag ka sanang matamaan. Pero yes, I've had a lot of experience with that bank. I'm not gonna say who that is. In terms of Security Bank, sobrang ganda ng customer service. Hands down. Also update din guys, last week nag-apply na ako ng Security Bank na Platinum na credit card because when I saw the benefits, mas gusto ko yung perks niya for me because the Platinum credit card is actually geared for or mas catered siya for users na mahilig mag-travel. I know right now we can't travel, but at least I might be able to use it in the future. So yeah, that's why I'm applying for it. Also, another quirk din guys is that Security Bank is only offering Mastercard credit cards. Wala silang Visa. And in my opinion, ako lang naman to, you might disagree with me. I like Visa more than Mastercard in a sense that I think Visa is more catered for travelers or frequent travelers abroad at saka for more international clienteles. So, mas maganda yung perks ng Visa whenever, for example, you want to stay in a hotel or you want to travel elsewhere. So, feeling ko mas maganda yung perks lang ng Visa than Mastercard. Let me know in the comment section if you're disagreeing with me, and let me know also kung ano ba yung mga perks din ng Mastercard. So, also yung website din ng Security Bank, If you go there, you can see all of the rewards and promos that they're offering if you're gonna use your credit card and also if you want to redeem your points. And speaking of points also, lifetime yung points, so hindi siya nag-expire. So mag-accumulate na kayo ng mag-accumulate, and who knows, you might be able to get that one Dyson vacuum that you can see on the rewards catalog. And yeah, that's what I love about this credit card. Sobrang maganda yung mga selection ng rewards nila at ng promos. It won't disappoint you, I promise. Personally, I haven't tried redeeming also kasi gusto ko, iniipon ko lang yung mga points para in the future, I would be able to use it, and who knows, I might be able to buy a new iPhone or a new AirPods. Another perk din pala ng Security Bank na credit cards is that ang maganda sa kanila, yung balance transfer nila is sobrang liit lang ng interest. Minsan nga parang 0% pa. So for example, if you want to balance transfer your existing credit card to Security Bank, sobrang liit lang ng rates. Minsan nga 0% pa. So kung magkano lang talaga yung utang mo on that bank, sila magbabayad tapos Security Bank yung babayaran mo. So yeah, that's one perk of having a Security Bank na credit card. So, if you're someone na gusto mong itry na bayaran yung mga utang mo sa mga credit cards mo, try Security Bank and have a balance transfer to Security Bank kasi sobrang ganda ng rates nila. Yung pala guys, another, not really disadvantage, pero the thing is that when I got approved on my credit card, wala akong nakuha na welcome gift from Security Bank except for like a 100 pesos worth of meals sa KFC, and it's free. I can't remember if it's KFC or Jollibee, but I think it's KFC. So yun lang, it's not that much, unlike other credit card issuers or providers na mas malaki talaga yung welcome gifts nila when your application was approved. And with that, friends, thank you very much for watching. If you find value in this video, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video. Alright? So remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. See you again soon. Peace out.